Every single day, I get at least 10, if not 20 text messages from investors that are looking for a property just like this one. It is a fixer-upper, but it has so much potential going for it. It's almost 2,400 square feet, 2 stories with a half basement underneath for lots of storage, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. Not to mention an amazing dance studio built on the back of this home that could be used for almost anything from a home office, art studio. You could add more bedrooms, or you could use it for a workout area. So many things that you could do. It's on a 4,000 square foot lot, super long driveway where you could park at least 3 cars, not including the 1-car detached garage. There's a lot of work to be done on this property, but what you do have almost throughout the whole entire house, original hardwood floors that just need to be refinished, as well as lots of natural light coming in through all of these huge windows. And what I didn't mention is that this house was built in 1926. You're gonna be able to blend old world charm with modern convenience. Speaking of convenience, we're steps away from the Alameda, which is widely known in San Jose for its shopping and dining, its vibrancy, and its history. Walking distance from Whole Foods, the train station, the SAP Center, and everything that downtown in San Jose is known for. It would only take you 5 minutes to get to one of the premier shopping locations in all of the Silicon Valley, known as Valley Fair and Santana Row. Steps away from Cahill Park and San Jose famous St. Leo's Catholic Church. We're also close to the Rose Garden, Santa Clara University, the Rosicrucian Museum, and the local schools. This is a great commute location if you do want to fix this house up and live in it for yourself. You're close to downtown San Jose where there's plenty of tech jobs. Not to mention you can get on the Caltrain and be in any of the Peninsula cities where really the Silicon Valley is world famous for the big companies that reside in those places. As always, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation of this rare opportunity in the Alameda area of San Jose. If you have any questions about this property or any other, feel free to give me a call or send me a text message at the number that's on the screen. Have a great day, and we can't wait to see you at the open house.